Hi, it's Stacy at Wayside Garage, and we have a client here with a Honda CR-V that they came in actually to have some maintenance done, which we love maintenance because it makes sure that the vehicle can continue to run and stay in great shape. One of the misconceptions is that you don't have to replace the spark plugs until you actually have a problem. That is not necessarily true. So in this case, we actually are doing an ignition maintenance tune-up, which includes replacing the spark plugs, which here's the plugs for you just to kind of give you an idea. And also we are replacing the engine air filter. It is extremely dirty. This is something that realistically should be done at least once a year. 12,000 miles, depends on your driving habits and location. The other thing that we are doing on this vehicle is replacing the Serpentine belt. I will actually give you a little idea as far as what's going on with the belt. You can actually see that the belt is starting to wear on the outside. And if you flip it over and look at the ribbing, we can see that it's also wearing on the inside. And we also try to look for cracks, seeing if they've got cracks, or we actually have a tool that we use in order to verify whether or not it is indeed time to replace the belt. One of the reasons why the belt would need to be replaced as a maintenance procedure is we want to make sure that you don't run into a situation where the belt breaks. It doesn't necessarily mean that the belt is going to make noise. Sometimes they're not going to make noise when they're due. It is a maintenance item that should be replaced, again, depending on the belt, anywhere from 3 to 5 years or anywhere from 30 to 50,000 miles. It is, again, very important to make sure that you maintain your vehicle and that we help you get the longest life out of your vehicle. Here at Wayside Garage, we are happy to help you with that. If you would like to set up a reservation, give us a call at 831-899-2425, or you can schedule online at www.waysidegarage.com. Also, if you are watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our channel for more maintenance tips. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and put them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer for you. Thank you so much.